प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेट ईजी by Shakti Chatterjee. Today I will discuss trigonometrical height and distance problem. See the question here. A statue 4 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevations of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevations of the top of the pedestal is 30 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. See, this is ground and this is pedestal and this is statue. ये वाला स्टैचू है, सिंपल, क्लियर. तो and now a man observed from here to here is 60 degree, here to here is 60 degree, clear. Here to here is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. It is given according to question, and this is 4 meter. Clear? This name is A, this is D, this is B and this is C. तो आप लिख लीजिए solutions given AB equal to statue equal to 4 meter. आप यहाँ लेट भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड एंगल ABC equal to 60 degree and angle DBC equal to 30 degree. Now you see when DBC equal to 30, therefore DBA equal to 30 degree. Therefore angle DBA equal to 30 degree. Clear? And angle this a 30 degree, a 90 degree, ये वाला 60 degree हो जाएगा. एंगल angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle CDB or BD, therefore angle BDC equal to 60 degree. So therefore angle BDA equal to 120 degree. Now ये जब 120 degree हो गया, ये वाला 30 degree है, this is up to 30 degree. तो क्या 130 plus 120 is 150 plus this will be the 30 degree. Therefore angle DAB or B angle BAD equal to 30 degree. Therefore triangle ABD is an isosceles. Isosceles. Clear? Therefore this BD equal to DA. Therefore BD equal to DAD equal to 4 meter. This AD is the statue, not AB. AD is the statue. BD equal to AD equal to 4 meter. So now you see this is H. So I want P because height of the pedestal. Therefore DC by BD equal to sine 30 degree. P by H is tan 30 degree. Therefore DC equal to 4, this BD equal to 4, DC equal to 4 into half, that is 2 meter equal to 2 meter. तो आप लिखिए the height of pedestal आपका asking है what is the height, find the height of the pedestal. तो इसलिए कि pedestal equal to 2 meter. This is the answer. प्यारे बच्चों, if you like these discussions, please put some comment about this video. Thank you those who are watching this video.